Hello, this is Mandy with Scott Leroy Marketing. Today I'd like to show you how to add an activity or an interaction to a lead or a contact in your command database. I will show you first how to do this to an individual contact, and then I'll show you how to actually apply a particular activity or interaction to multiple leads or contacts at a time. First, let's go over to our Contacts tab. And if you're wanting to add this type of activity or an activity to an individual contact, go ahead and click on the contact name. And over on the far right-hand side, underneath the timeline, you can click Add Activity here or the giant plus sign in the bottom right-hand corner and choose Activity from the top. Both of these will get you to the same place, this pop-up window. There's several different types of interactions: a meeting, call, email, text, note, or mail, like paper mail. And I just want to go through a couple of different ones here to show you the difference. Like if you've made a phone call to this particular contact, notice how your options do change. It lets you note whether you did not get an answer, left a voicemail, or you talked. And you can write a description just to recap what actually happened on the phone call or the message you left. You can also choose the calendar date of when this happened, and you can go back. Say you remember a phone call you had on October 1st and you forgot to document it. You can go back on that calendar and fill in this information and just click Add Activity once you're done. Something else to note here is if you choose the note option, it will not display more than 27 characters in the timeline. So just know that if you choose the note option right here for the title, it will only show 27 characters in the timeline. For the description on the note, it must be shorter or equal to 2,500 characters. It may let you save if you have more than that, but it won't actually post to the timeline within the contact. Okay. Once you're done choosing the particular type of activity, and we'll just add a demo note there, click Add Activity, and you will see the timeline automatically update for this contact, showing the type of interaction you had, and it will have the particular calendar date that you actually had this interaction for them on there as well. It will include your description too. You can add as many as you need to. That's how you do it for an individual contact. I'm going to come back out to back to contacts here and show you how to apply an activity or an interaction to multiple contacts at a time. Now, please know you can always use your filters here or your smart views to narrow down the particular contacts that you want to add this activity to. Once you have those particular contacts, go ahead and either individually select them or use your Select All button here. And then down at the bottom, you'll notice more options. Choose Add Activity, and you'll get that same pop-up window. This time, you can go ahead and choose your interaction as well. Let's say you sent an email out. Make sure to choose your calendar date. Let's say you sent this a couple of weeks ago, you forgot to note it. And then once you're done adding your notes, you can add activity, and that activity will now show within each one of those contacts individual timelines. So you would click into those contacts to view their individual timelines to see that activity logged. If you have any questions about this or anything to do with your KW platforms, we're happy to help. Just send us an email at support@scottleroymarketing.com and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.